This has to be the saddest looking wing in London. Hey everyone, we are back again with another video, and this time we are at Perfect Fried Chicken in London on Whitechapel Road. The first thing I noticed when I walked in was the decor was a bit outdated. However, they had plenty of seating. It was a bit dirty on the floor and the tables, so it could have done with a clean. But looking at the menu, I wanted something simple and quick, so I went for the 5 spicy wings and chips. Starting off with the chips, these weren't seasoned. They tasted like they've been cooked in old oil, and they were not nice at all. The wings themselves were not crispy at all. They were oily, dry on the inside. The outer seasoning wasn't doing anything at all. You could tell these weren't fresh, and they had been sitting in the warming area for God knows how long. But I thought I'd dip them in the chili sauce, but when looking at the chili sauce, I realised there was hair in the chili sauce pot, so I had to give that back to the boss man. Overall, this was a very disappointing visit to a PFC for the first time. I'm going to give these guys a 2 out of 10. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and a follow, and I'll see you in the next one.